Hey guys, Levergun Bum. Welcome to the channel. If you're new here, if you're a returnee, thanks for coming back. Today I'm going to be reviewing the LL Bean Mountain Classic Anorak. I've been kind of wanting an Anorak for a while. It's been years since I've had an Anorak and doing all this Bushcraft type stuff. Was looking a little bit into the Anorak aesthetic and thinking about the convenience of just having a big old pouch which you can deposit things into, and just liking the idea of an ultralight piece of kit, and the colorway was interesting to me. The seller called it brown. In certain light conditions it actually has an almost purplish hue, which does very well in the sunset landscape of Arizona. Things turn purple here in twilight in Arizona. It's a pretty beautiful place. The question today is this for bushcraft or is this for bouge or bougie or bourgeoisie? I guess bougie is current slang indicating luxurious upper middle class with connotations of pretentious snobbery or being fancy. Point is an Anorak right for you in the bushcraft setting or outdoor setting? And this channel being specific to lever guns when I'm not being banned by YouTube, and outdoor and hiking in rural America and so forth. Is this a piece of kit that you might want to acquire? LL Bean describes this as being wind and water resistant, designed to keep the light rain out and the outdoor fun going. It is slightly fitted. It falls at the hip. It's got heritage-inspired details. That would be that little Katahdin logo. Katahdin named for the tallest mountain in Maine, apparently 5,269 feet, and called by the Penobscot Indians Katahdin, or the Great Mountain in their language. It is machine washable and dryable. It's got elasticized cuffs. It's got the big kangaroo pocket in front. It stows in its own pocket. We'll go take a closer look at this. So this has got the bean boot pulls here, zipper pulls on the main zipper and on that kangaroo pouch zipper, and they use that for the drawstrings on the hood. Okay, this is very interesting to me. This is almost like a subdued LL Bean badging. I wonder if this is LL Bean Tactical. And here's this heritage Katahdin striping. They've got front pockets here that you can put your hands into, hand warmer pockets, I guess. And then here's the kangaroo pouch that turns into a stow pouch for the entire Anorak. And we'll demo that in a bit. Here you go. Just so you know, stow. That's kind of a nice feature. That's what we're looking at from the front. And since we do have a little rainfall, you can see the rain beating up here. Let me see if I can open this up. This is brand new old stock. Here you got a size large. This was made in Vietnam. And we've got some tags here. Mountain Classic Anorak, as you can see. Original MSRP was $59. It could be had much cheaper on the secondhand markets. Check out eBay. There's some really good deal. And Supplex, if I'm pronouncing that correctly, which is a cottony soft comfort nylon material. And I am already a fan. I love nylon for outdoor use and tactical materials. And so Supplex is just a great choice to make this out of. Be advised, there's no insulation. There's no Gore-Tex membrane. This is not waterproof. It's water resistant. And turning this around, we get a shot of that hood. And you can just see from the dorsal side, a lot of these Anoraks that LL Bean releases and offers for sale have an ethnic pattern to them, or Native American pattern or color scheme, which is kind of cool, I think, but I just wanted straight up brown. Advisory, there's no underarm zippers or perspiration holes or venting or anything like that, nor are there any zippers up the side. That's lateral left. Lateral right, again, you can just see that's all enclosed, so if that's something that's a concern to you, now you know. Okay, guys, so I'll go ahead now and demo stuff sack capability of this Anorak. We'll just toss this hanger here. Okay. And this is just easy peasy. We'll open up that kangaroo pouch, and we're just going to turn this item inside out, stuff it in there. Okay. There it is. Easy peasy. Again, we've got a little stow tag here. I kind of dig that. And actually, this would make a really nice little camp pillow, I think. I'm impressed. Very lightweight. I think LL Bean's calling this about 1.1 pound. It doesn't even feel that. I would have no problem stuffing this in my backpack, and that's what I'll be doing at some point, I'm sure. This is definitely a keeper. I'm really kind of thrilled that I was able to get this. So it's time to put this into service. So I'm going to take these tags off. There's a loop to hook this thing up and get it in the closet or wherever you need to. That's a nice feature as well. I appreciate having that. I like to keep my gear, outerwear, kind of up around my waist. For years, I was in an occupation where I had to access things on my waist. That's a clue. And I still have things to access on my waist. Notwithstanding firearms issues, I'm talking about tools or anything, your Leatherman or whatever you've got on your belt, flashlights, who knows what, smartphones, cell phones. I like to wear my outerwear up. This is cut specifically to go kind of below the waist, below the buttocks, okay, as is keeping with traditional outdoor gear, especially anoraks. These cinches here are real important to me. Be advised if you're going to get into a outerwear solution like this. Okay, I'm tucking this up above my pistol here. This anorak, I've noticed, has a tendency to kind of bulge down in the front. Doesn't feel like it's doing it in the back, but this would drive me nuts, especially if you're going to keep anything in here. You're going to have this kind of saggy hang down thing going on. Don't take that the wrong way. And this would drive me nuts a little bit, because when I wear this, I'm probably going to be out doing my lever gunning, and I'm going to have a very light bino carrier on my little backpack. It's not such a huge deal, but if I were just out and about, I think I would want this riding a little higher on my waist, my preference, and just something to think about, depending on whether or not you live in an open carry jurisdiction, which I am currently in, or not. This may matter to you. Food for thought. And I'll tell you what, guys, with the processing on this phone camera, it's not picking up as good as it is in real life, but it's pretty close. And I'm wondering if maybe LL Bean shouldn't have called this color Arizona Earth, because dang, that is a pretty good match for the Earth of Arizona. Take care, everybody. And remember, God bless you and God bless America.